Hello everyone, thank you for choosing US Steam. Today we're focusing on the heart of many businesses, commercial kitchens. Given the high activity and health standards, maintaining cleanliness is crucial. Let's power up our steamers and get started. Our primary tools for this job will be a steam nozzle and brush. Choose from any of the nozzles or brushes included with your unit to ensure every corner of your commercial kitchen is spotless. First up, the appliances. Take a convection oven, for instance. With our steamer, stubborn grease and baked-on food are easily loosened and wiped away, revealing a cleaner and safer surface beneath. Moving on to the 3 bay sinks. These spots often accumulate grime after heavy use. Direct the steam especially to those hard-to-reach areas for a renewed shine. Lastly, let's steam clean prep stations and food storage areas. These are areas where hygiene is a top priority. Using our steamer, residue or contaminants are effectively removed, ensuring a safe environment for food handling. And that wraps up our recipe for success. A thoroughly clean commercial kitchen, ready for action. If you found this video valuable, give us a thumbs up, share, and do subscribe for more cleaning insights from US Steam.